Just psych, I just hit it with my hand.
As my mom would say, what a waste of time.
Did you think it actually hit me?
No, because I saw your hand hit it.
Ling and I are back in Christchurch. We missed the vibrancy and the energy of a city. So when we flew back from Auckland, we arrived in Nelson. We just stayed there for one day and then we just shipped off. 4-hour drive back down to Christchurch. We actually do like living in this city. Ling and I grew up in Montreal, so we're city people. Nelson's a great place, great beaches, the perfect place to be in the summertime. But for us, it's more of a weekend destination. Living there, it's a bit more expensive. It's a smaller town, so there's less going on. Christchurch has got so much going on. Beer festivals at Hagley Park, food and wine festival, but then Omicron started spreading in the community and all of those events got cancelled. So what are we doing this weekend? We're gonna take another attempt at going to Arthur's Pass. The last time we were there, it was pissing rain, so we literally just passed on through and continued on to the west coast because there was no point in sticking around because there wasn't much availability for accommodation. Anyways, let's get going.
Farmland. It's all straight line roads. How do you feel?
Like I'm gonna fall asleep any second now. Probably had 4 espressos to wake me up so I won't fall asleep, but I can't deal with the coffee. Get too agitated and anxious. Get heart palpitations.
We have not had to turn the wheel.
It's very hard to hold this wheel so straight, but I'm doing it. So there's the Springfield donut. No need to stop. Alright, we're here at the Beeley Hotel. We're just gonna check in. We did this drive maybe a month ago and it looks completely different. It feels like we never even did it because it was pissing rain, and today's the complete opposite. It's really sunny. Ain't no party like a New Zealand party in the summertime. Okay, we got our keys. Let's go check in.
We don't have KFC.
Don't have KFC, but we have George FM. Oh, Ling made moussaka. That's gonna be dinner tonight. They do have a little nice reception bar here at the Beasley Hotel.
Beeley.
But I keep thinking Pam Beasley or Miss Beasley in Archie.
Oh, look at that. I just caught a sandfly right before he bit me. Thanks for shouting out my moussaka. I actually think he had time to bite me before I killed it.
Oh, good. Oh, this is the communal area? Oh man, look at that view. Whoa. Great timing with the weather, eh? This weekend. Seems like we got the whole MOA backpacker to ourselves.
Thank you.
When does this ever happen? We go to a hostel and it includes moisturizers and soap.
And a view.
Just grabbed a quick nap. Ling and I are gonna go check out now the Devil's Punch Bowl waterfall, a popular short walk in the area. It's a 131 meter waterfall. It's very impressive, so let's go check it out. We're in sandfly country. That's us there. We're gonna go up to the lookout. 150 vertical meters to the top. These birds are so friendly. Oh my god. We made it to the end, guys.
393. 393 steps.
That is awesome. Woo! That's like Iceland level status right there.
Even with the rainbow.
Plastic bag. Good morning, y'all. I forgot to mention earlier, but Ling and I are on a long weekend because it is Auckland Day. January 29, that's the day when Lieutenant General William Hobson arrived in the Bay of Islands back in 1840, and he decreed January 29 would be Auckland's day
really
off.
it?
Yeah.
I thought you were just making it up.
No, William Hobson. Thanks to him, Auckland gets January 29th off. Thing is, we're based in Christchurch, which is nowhere near Auckland. But the thing is, we work for companies that are based in Hamilton. So not only Auckland gets the long weekend, but the greater region as well, including Hamilton. We get a 3-day weekend.
But Hamilton is not part of the Auckland region. Auckland Day is called Auckland Day, but it includes the Waikato and Auckland regions. Go Chiefs.
Have you ever seen someone peel a banana completely to eat it? Because we have. And if you're watching this, you know who you are. So anyways, cheers to that.
He's gonna be...
The trick is to not leave this, because who wants a handle? Just peel it the whole way through. And then you can really touch it. You can feel it with your hands, you know, just feel that banana. Hold it, you know, with your bare fingers. But if someone hands you something, you gotta put it down. It's okay, just drop it on the table. It's all good. And then when you're done doing what you need to do with your hands, now covered with banana residue, you just pick the banana off the table
and good as
keep going. All right, cut it. This is not the direction of the vlog I was hoping it would go. You might slip.
Hey.
Had a mysterious case of diarrhea the other day, so I had to get some Imodium.
Amazing for your viewers.
Out of the blue diarrhea, I guess. So I had to pick up some Imodium at the Foursquare, which isn't the grocery store you want to go to in New Zealand to save money. So a pack of 6 Imodium tablets was 12 bucks. Bloody hell. We are about to do the Arthur's Pass walking track, a 6.8 kilometer return tramping track. There are sandflies as I mentioned earlier, so yeah, you gotta layer on the chemicals. So you have this sludge mix on your skin consisting of both bug spray and of course the SPF sunblock. Still good. A lot of bloody stairs on this one. How you feel?
Good.
Princess Powys has made a
sweaty.
return. Almost at the top, love. Just go up over these steps over here, and there you have it. Back to level terrain. But it's a nice clear day to go out and do a bit of tramping. Get out there, New Zealand. Explore the tracks while you can. Enjoy nature. There's a lot to explore in a great little country. Yeah, once you get out there, it might not be what you expected, but there's a surprise around every corner. You just gotta go out and look for it.
How's my back?
Light yellow, dark yellow, and a big patch of yellow. It's darker. Oh yes, we're just right next to the motorway. This is the motorway that takes you all the way to the west coast.
So we could have just drove here.
Well, that just ruins all the fun.
Well, it is nice to walk.
You don't build a sweat by taking the motorway.
Well, you sweat in the car. You're just not moving.
We're at a hut now. There's some stuff about Jack's hut in there.
Oh, this is Jack's hut.
You know Jack?
No, I saw it on the map.
Oh, there's Jack. Dun dun. Okay, Naughty, naughty Kea. So we tramped through all of this bush country over here, bit of exposure. Right now we're at Jack's hut and we're just going to continue walking down the track towards the lookout, which is about 45 minutes from here. Ka'u ki matanuku, ka'u ki matarangi, ka'u ki tene whenua. But in front of you is Kai Matau. Oh, there's a little spider on lane. I've noticed that these shorts fit a lot tighter than they used to back when we were kind of roaming about and doing these hikes on a regular basis. But now that Ling and I are back to the sedentary lifestyle of a Monday to Friday 9 to 5 working from home job, I've feel myself getting thicker. So it's good to stretch our legs, get out into nature in New Zealand and burn a couple calories and work up a sweat.
You don't feel guilty for putting it all back on.
Track closed, boardwalk damage. But this is it. 1 hour 15 to get here. Just under 5Ks to the Arthur's Pass lookout. So where we stand at 923 meters, Arthur's Pass is the highest of 3 roads that cross the Southern Alps. Here we go, Ling. Max load, 1 person. I like how they use like fence material to make this. Some really thorny looking bushes down there if this thing breaks. Whatever it is, it hurts. Ugh.